There must be a balance between learners' freedom and constraints on them. Humanist requires the facilitator to have the skill for finding the appropriate balance for each individual between self-directed autonomous power and other-directed authoritative power. Although individualization in language learning is stressed to a large extent, it does not mean that they must be left to do whatever they want. Learning is based on learners' needs, not others' expectations. The learners are weaned away from the trap of working to please the teacher, which may be quite deeply ingrained, and towards working to please themselves. Because, as Carmon maintains, teachers should remember that learners are people and therefore have different personalities, feelings, and interests. Reflective teaching and learning is emphasized. Arnold maintains that humanistic language teaching brings a new view of the language teacher, which includes recognition of the importance of his or her personal development. It means that these skills will be much more effective if teachers are also concerned with their own emotional IQ. Assessment must highlight the learner's strengths. Language teachers are expected to view and apply assessment of learners' performance in a positive way, by emphasizing their strength in using English by means of interaction. Errors are considered as indicators of learners' progress. In classrooms run according to humanistic values, errors are valued possibility. The teacher asks questions not to elicit a right answer, but to get feedback about the learner's process and to help them learn about their own process. Problems in practice. Underhill mentions two areas to difficulty that we may face in trying to put humanistic values into practice in the classroom. The first refers to the difficulty of managing change in ourselves, especially at the level of our values and attitudes, and how many will manifest them in our behavior in class. We are trapped in patterns of teaching, and these patterns may be deeply embedded in our training and in our experience with our own teachers and past authority figures. A second area of difficulty, the author believes, arises from the various external pressures that work against our desires to try different things. Students may find it disturbing when they are asked to take more responsibility for their learning, and teachers may lack the knowledge, experience, confidence, and ability to facilitate this change. And teachers may also lack the support and understanding of those involved in the education environment. Training as teams in the school organization may also mitigate this.
Created using Powtoon.